Hi friends, welcome to Smart Record All-in-One and I'm Saraman. Today I'm going to tell you about free products of Paytm friends where you can buy free product friends if you follow the terms and conditions of Paytm friends. There is a limited offer friends, so I'll show you proofs friends now. Here first I'll open Paytm Mall friends. You can use Paytm or Paytm Mall. I'll use Paytm Mall friends here. Better to use Paytm Mall friends. You can observe now friends that banner first only. Flash sale 100% cashback. Hurry shop now. If you click on that poster friends, you can observe now friends, we have 525 results friends. Means we have 525 product friends. It is only for KYC account friends, so I have KYC account friends. This is when you can read terms and conditions of these friends. Within 48 hours, your cashback will fall in your wallet friends. Here, if you want, you can buy anything. See friends here. Better I'll open this here. Now you can observe see friends here. Flash ₹100. First I'll enter buy. I click on buy friends and apply promo code or offers. See friends, you can observe here. Flash ₹100, get 100% cashback on minimum maximum cashback of ₹200. See friends, you can observe this promo code is applicable only on your first shopping order of this month. He's telling that the terms and conditions are not satisfied because we should make the first order of April friends. I have ordered in April month friends, so it is not accepting friends. If you do not do friends this month, you can order friends and will get 100% cashback friends. Simple friends, these are the simple terms and conditions of this Flash 100 promo code. If you want, I'll give this promo code in description, whereas you can copy and you can paste in your promo code list friends. That's it friends, don't lose this offer friends, where I have lose this offer, even you don't do like me friends. If you make this, you tell me what did you buy friends with that promo code and mention me in comment box friends. That's it friends. If you like this video, please give me a like button, and as much as you create your Paytm account and you do many KYC friends, like give your PAN card or voter ID friends and make your another Paytm account friends. That's it friends. Thank you and Jai Hind.